Well, considering we've got these two massive great screens installed and operational on roofs is pretty remarkable. They look great on the roof. So you go to the experts. The experts are ADI.
In construction terms, we were the principal contractor and we were responsible for the complete installation of the works. We installed two super wide 80-metre screens. The major challenge was we had to look at installing the screens from outside of the stadium, off the football pitch. We built the structure, the support truss. We then lifted the support truss onto the roof, secured it into position. Whilst that lift was happening, myself and a team have built the screen at ground level and flown it over the stadium to install it. A major achievement by any LED screen supplier, and I'm immensely proud of what we've achieved at Watford.